We360.ai is an employee productivity monitoring tool, and let me show you the product now. So what you see right now in your screen is the admin dashboard. So how We360.ai works? There is a client which gets installed in laptop and desktop of employee. And as soon as the employee punches in, all the data starts flowing in to this admin dashboard. So here you can see the employee attendance. Then you can see the activity level of your team and individual employees as well. Here there is application usage, what all applications which are used in your organization. And then you also have an option to take screenshots in an interval of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes as per your requirement. This screenshot can be enabled and disabled as per your requirement. Then there is a project and task feature which helps you manage your projects with your employees. We360.ai has a very interesting and unique feature, live stream. So here, assuming that, let's say one of the supervisor has a team of 15 members, he can see in real time that what each member is doing and which all applications or which all platforms they are accessing. So here you can see all these members who are highlighted are active and all these members who are blurred are inactive. Then Health 360 is a very interesting feature and it will help your HR identify the organization's manpower requirements. This tool will help you identify whether you need more employees or you are sufficiently staffed. This will also save a lot of money and cost for you, which might go in hiring employees might be not required at this point of time. The most important feature of We360.ai is, of course, our productivity measurement. So how do we measure productivity of an employee? Let me give you an example. Your organization might be having certain applications, websites, URLs, which are productive for your workforce. And then there are unproductive platforms to be in. Here, what you can do is you can map the platforms, URLs, applications as productive, unproductive, and neutral. And then you can see how much of your employees' productive time is going into these applications. This will automatically impact the productivity of your organization as your workforce is working on these platforms. A very interesting feature of We360.ai is application usage. Just imagine how much of subscription amount every month you pay to various applications. And do you know whether those applications are really used by your team members or not? This helps you identify which all applications are used by your team members or which all URLs or which all websites they are spending most of their time. That way, you can plan things better and you can see the working pattern of your workforce. As I said, that we also have a project and task management feature. So you can create projects in We360.ai and then you can assign various tasks under a project and see the progress of that project and task in real time. And of course, the most important part, the reports and analytics, which is there in your fingertip. So anytime you can access these reports, there are different type of reports. If I may say, there are 200 different type of reports which can be utilized from We360.ai, and that will surely help you engage with your workforce in a better way. Onboarding workforce is very easy in We360.ai. Let me show you. So you just go to user management and here you have add users. Either you can add individual users or you can import a CSV file with all the user details filled in, and within seconds, all your user IDs are created. So as I said, a very simple, easy to use and very employee friendly tool for your organization. So what are you waiting for? Just grab your phone and reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to be a partner in your journey towards higher productivity, higher revenue, and of course, higher profits. Thank you.